Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and today I'm excited to walk you through a custom sales bot built using the Microsoft Copilot Studio. This bot was developed using all the advanced capabilities of Microsoft's Copilot Studio, and it's designed to help streamline in the process of analyzing large sets of sales and collection data. So let me go ahead and show you how it works. So let's get into the heart of the demo. The Sales Copilot was created to help the finance, sales operations, and sales team to process and analyze data from large volumes of daily and monthly transactions happening in the SAP ERP systems, which contain over 3 million transactional records and all the associated columns. In Copilot Studio, knowledge sources act as a foundation for generating relevant responses. These sources, such as dataverse tables or documents, are configured with appropriate descriptions and synonyms, helping the Copilot understand the data structure. When the user asks queries, the Copilot leverages these knowledge sources to provide accurate AI-driven answers based on the configured sources. We start by adding these tables as knowledge sources for the Copilot. After that, we have configured a table to ensure that the Copilot understands the sales data by setting up respective synonyms and providing descriptions to each of the columns. This is key for Copilot to return accurate answers when the user asks it some questions. Once the tables were configured, we move on to creating topics. A topic in Copilot Studio is a predefined query that the Copilot can address. It specifies users' questions, allowing the Copilot to generate structured responses based on knowledge sources and guiding effective interactions. We have made the user interactions more relevant by adding menus and various filters which will pop up when the users interact with the chat interface, guiding them through various options to get the exact response which they are looking for. Copilot Studio offers various channels where you can deploy your own chatbot. Here, I've deployed the SalesBot in Microsoft Teams. So let's go ahead and ask it a few questions. So I'll go ahead and select revenue analysis. I would want to know the best quarter. I would like to filter the best quarter by region. And I'll go ahead and select the region as India. As you can see, the Copilot has now processed the data and given us precise response to the query. This eliminates the need for manually sifting through thousands of rows of data and allows our management, team, and various other users to get actionable insights instantly. So how is a SalesBot different from a normal dashboard? The Sales Chatbot helps us to get direct and precise answers to natural language queries, whereas a report or a dashboard, we still need to analyze or further drill down for the information we need. The chatbot could be connected to any existing web or mobile application or even to your collaborative Teams channels, making it much more accessible and easier to use. This is a Sales Dashboard Canvas application built using Power Apps. It provides the sales team with real-time access to leads, performance metrics, and sales data for any device. We've also embedded the Sales Chatbot developed in Microsoft Copilot Studio, enabling the users to leverage AI-generated insights for a smarter decision-making and enhanced sales performances. So let's go ahead and see the Sales Chatbot in action. For that, I will go ahead and click on the chat icon. So once I select the Copilot icon, the user gets a chat interface opened up and they're greeted with a menu of questions which the Copilot can answer. For example, let's select a query about total revenue generated in Q1. For that, I will select revenue analysis. Once I select revenue analysis, I get a list of questions. I will select total revenue. I'll go ahead and select quarter. Once I select quarter, I can select specifically on what quarter I want to filter the data by. Let's go ahead and select Q1. After making the selection, the Copilot uses generative AI to filter the sales data based on my input and returns the most relevant answer. And that's the Sales Chatbot. Before we wrap up, here is how the Sales Chatbot positively impacts the business. It speeds up the process of decision making and data analysis, allowing the sales and finance teams to make decisions more quickly. It provides accurate insights by leveraging generative AI and reduces error and provides precise, actionable insights. It helps improve strategic planning for real-time access to key sale trends, helps with better forecasting and planning. We hope this gives you a good overview of how the Sales Chatbot works. Thank you for your time.
Sysfore is a global technology consulting company helping customers in their digital transformation journey. We are a specialist Microsoft Gold partner on Azure, Dynamics 365, and Power Platform. Stay tuned for more customer videos, stories from Sysfore.